How to scan YouTube QR code on TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube app on your TV. So firstly, turn on your smart TV or streaming device and then open the YouTube app from the home screen. Further, select the sign in option you see there and in order to show the verification code. Once the QR code is appeared, open camera on your mobile and then scan the QR code shown on the screen, and with this, you will be signed in. So, this is how you can scan YouTube QR code on TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.